What if your next art show didn't need a gallery at all? Digital artists are now showcasing their work in immersive online exhibitions, reaching global audiences without ever shipping a canvas. These virtual spaces replicate the gallery experience, complete with 3D walkthroughs and interactive features. It's not just about exposure, it's about creating a new kind of art economy that's borderless, accessible, and ready for monetization. NFTs changed the game. By minting digital art as non-fungible tokens, artists can sell unique, verifiable pieces directly to collectors. But it's not just about the initial sale. Smart contracts allow creators to earn royalties every time their work is resold. This means passive income and long-term value, something traditional art markets rarely offer. It's a digital revolution that puts power back in the hands of the artist. Subscription platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi are giving digital artists a steady income stream. Instead of relying on one-time sales, artists offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or early releases to paying subscribers. It's a model that rewards consistency and builds community. For many, it's the difference between a side hustle and a sustainable career. The key? Delivering value that fans can't get anywhere else. Online galleries are evolving into curated marketplaces. Platforms like SuperRare and Foundation don't just display art, they help sell it. These sites vet artists, promote collections, and connect creators with serious collectors. It's not just about visibility, it's about credibility. Being featured on a respected platform can elevate an artist's brand and command higher prices. Think of it as the digital equivalent of being in a top-tier gallery. Augmented reality is opening new doors for digital art monetization. Imagine selling an AR sculpture that buyers can place in their living room using just their phone. Artists are creating immersive experiences that blend the digital and physical worlds. These pieces can be sold as limited editions or licensed for commercial use. It's not just art, it's interactive, experiential, and increasingly profitable. Live-streamed art events are becoming a powerful monetization tool. Artists can host virtual openings, Q&A sessions, or live painting demos, all while accepting tips or selling exclusive pieces in real time. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Live make it easy to engage with fans and monetize attention. It's performance meets commerce, and it's redefining how digital art is experienced and sold. The future of digital art monetization lies in diversification. Successful artists aren't relying on one platform or method. They're combining NFTs, subscriptions, live events, and licensing deals. This multi-channel approach builds resilience and maximizes income. As technology evolves, so do the opportunities. For digital artists willing to adapt, the canvas is limitless, and so is the potential for profit.